So today we're visiting Iberostar. We're in the Waves Punta Cana side and the Dominicana side. The setup here, the building that we're looking at here is on the Punta Cana side. It's 350 rooms. All the room types, well, the room setups are the same. You just have different room types like ocean front, ocean view, pool view, and garden view. And that setup is exactly the same for the Dominicana side. And that is the building just across the garden here. And it has the same arrangements.
In the day, then they have two main buffet, which is those here, two reception, and then by the beach you have two a la carte restaurant. Sorry, two buffet. During the day they are buffet. At night it's a la carte. Included, those hotels have safe internet and minibar, and they are not allowed to use room service. We don't have room service in those. This is our basic stuff. In the complex we have five hotels, 4 family and friends, and 1 adult only. So as those are our basic products, everything is located beside or close by those hotels. That's been the kids club, the casino, and then in front of Dominicana you have like the spa, the gym, tennis court, medical center, pharmacy, discotheque. We have 2, 1 for teenagers and 1 for adults, and everything is located here. Because here we have 2 hotels, selection, waves, and then we have another 2 families here, and then also they are allowed to use the same.
And here we have the standard room in the Punta Cana side. You have the option to have that set up as a king bed or 2 double beds. Comes with a small sitting area. And then you have a balcony. This particular room is a garden view. Here you have the main pool area that sits between the Punta Cana side and the Dominican wave side. So this pool area is shared between these 2 resorts. Please remember to give the video a like if you haven't already. And also please subscribe to the channel if you're not already one of our subscribers, so that you do get notifications for future content that we post like this or any other videos as we travel throughout the world to different destinations. And here you have the beachfront in front of the Punta Cana and the Dominican Wave resorts. And as you can see, there's plenty of loungers, plenty of umbrellas, lots of shade. So a nice relaxing space. So if you want to come and spend the day at the beach, you'll have a comfortable time here. Here we have the standard room on the Dominicana side. And the furniture is just a little bit different here. On this side, the building is still equipped with bathtubs for the shower. And here you still have the option for a king bed or 2 double beds. And you'll notice that the styling of the furniture is just a bit different. The Punta Cana side has been renovated and has new furniture of a different style. And the renovation is coming soon for the Dominicana side. Here we have the kids club. As you can see, they have a beautiful play area here for the kids in the kids club. So if you wanted to get out and enjoy a bit of the day without the little ones, you can always bring them here to the kids club and enjoy that free time and know that they'll be having a good time as well. And here we have a junior suite at Selection Bavaro. And it has the step down sitting area and then a garden view from the balcony. Here we have the lobby for the Coral Level Bavaro. And here we have the Level Junior Suite. This one is set up with 2 double beds. And as you can see, this one has more amenities. Very nicely decorated. And again, the balcony with the garden view. Now we're at the Joia Bavaro by Iberostar, and it is the adults only section of the Iberostar property. Bueno días.
So here is the same in the map. It's U-shaped, facing the ocean, the lake, the coast, which is the Iberostar. Joia, the sweet, the Joia, it's the style.
All the rooms here on the Joia side of Iberostar, they're all suites with jacuzzis. And at this beautiful ship here, they do hold different little events. They have like a disco, do dancing, things of that nature. So you can always look for things going on here in this area. So here we are in the suite on the Joia side. Very elegantly appointed room. Does come with that jacuzzi tub that has that garden and lake view. And of course, you have your privacy curtains there. You can pull those down. Very elegant room. That does conclude this walk-in tour of the Iberostar Resort Complex here in Punta Cana. Please remember to give the video a like if you haven't already, and also subscribe to the channel so that you do get notifications for any future content that we do put out. We definitely do appreciate that. If you have any questions about Punta Cana, Bavaro, or the Dominican Republic in general, feel free to post those questions in the comments below, and I'll get to those questions as quickly as possible. Thank you again. Look forward to seeing you guys all on the next video. Until then, enjoy your travels wherever they may take you. Bye for now.